welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. So today I have a Michael's haul. Now, I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and normally I go to the Michael's in the St. James area, but this weekend I went to the one in the Maples area. We went there just before we went to Thanksgiving dinner at my hubby's sister's place. So, because I had said to him, I want to go to that one. I've only been to that one a couple of times. I find that they don't have as much yarn selection as the one in St. James area. Yeah, it seems like a smaller store, I think, yeah, and a smaller yarn section. But anyway, that's okay. 35% off all yarn. And yeah, so had to go. I did not buy a lot of yarn. Let's take a look at what I did buy. I wanted to grab one of these Craftsmart Value yarns. I am actually, yeah, it's in pink, and the colorway is pink. It says pink/rose. Very pretty pink. I've been trying to design something. I'm always designing. But anyway, I'm trying to design something, a crochet item, using this pink. And I don't know, I've worked, I don't know how many hours this weekend. But anyway, if it turns out, if it works out, then you guys will see it. And it'll be a tutorial if it works out. Okay, so this Michael's, this is Craftsmart Value yarn. It's medium 4, 198 grams, 354 yards. Colorway is pink, 100% acrylic. Did I say that? Looks like you can wash it in the machine. Do not bleach. I think that means you can put it in the dryer, and do not iron. Yeah, there's all the symbols there. And like I said, it's a really pretty pink. It's a nice value yarn. I mean, it's not the softest, but it's really not that bad. I find if you feel it per strand, it feels soft, but if you feel it like this, it doesn't feel as soft. Yeah. So these were regularly, let's see, these were regularly $4.99, and remember this is Canadian, and they were on sale for $3.49. So I think that's a good deal. I mean, you get, how much did I say? Wow, where is it? 354 yards. That's pretty good. Okay, so I got that one. Then I got another one, and I used one of my bags. I took my bag to Michael's. You have a chance to win one of these, actually, with this very design. And there's 3 others in a giveaway I just put up last week. So I'll link it below if you haven't seen it. But yeah, these are great bags. Look at this. Okay, so the next yarn, I'm already putting mine to good use. Used it as a shopping bag, or it could be as a project bag, whatever you like. Okay, so the next one I got, of course, people have been talking about these new ones by Loops and Threads. They're called Facets. F-A-C-E-T-S. It's a medium 4. Medium 4, let's see, 100% acrylic. Hand wash cold, do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron. This colorway is lapis. Is it pronounced L-A? It's spelled L-A-P-I-S. Is that pronounced lapis or lapis? I could look it up after. Let's see, 100 grams, 279 yards. And look, they had a few different colorways at that Michael's, but not a lot. And they only had 3 of these in the blue. lapis. That's all they had. So I took them all. Only 3 of them. 279 yards. So say 900, less than 900 yards here. And I usually, when I get yarn that I'm thinking I might make a wearable with, I will try to get, you know, close to 1,000 yards. Yeah. So I'm thinking this is going to be a wearable. And it does remind me of, like others have said, it reminds them of the Unforgettable yarn. And it reminds me of that as well. Looks like it's a roving. Because it's got, where are we at here? It's got, you know, the thicker and the thinner. Yeah, so it's soft, it's squishy, it's blue. Yes. Okay, so these were like 35% off. So these were regular $7.99, and they were on sale for $5.59. So I figured that's a pretty good price. All right, almost 300 yards in here. Yeah, it says it's a medium 4 weight. I don't know, even the thicker parts seem thin to me, but then there is a tiny bit of halo. Maybe they're counting that. I don't know, but it's, oh, look at those colors. I mean, those shades of blue. Beautiful, right? Yeah, so that's all I got at Michael's. So I figured that was a pretty good deal. What do you guys think? Have you guys tried this new facet? Have you actually, I know it hasn't been out very long, but have you been able to buy it and try it? Crochet or knit with it? It really is so soft, and oh, of course, you know, when you get new yarn or yarn that's new to you, you want to work with it right away. Sometimes you don't get to it, and it actually sits on your shelf for a while. Sometimes it goes directly on your hook the minute you're in the door. Yeah. So I don't know. Oh. Anyway, yeah, so thank you so much for joining me today, and I love my new yarn. Okay, you guys, so I'll see you again soon. Oh, and this top I have a tutorial for. This is crochet. I only know how to crochet, and this is that really thin, super fine one, hand-dyed yarn. Yeah, so I have a tutorial on this. I'll link it below. It can be worn off the shoulder like this, or it can be worn the way I was wearing it in the video. It can be worn like this. All right, you guys, you take care, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye.